With the ongoing second phase of border talks between the governments of Meghalaya and Assam, the Jaintia National Council (JNC) has suggested that the two governments can look into the historical background of the Pnar community. Addressing a press conference on Wednesday, the president of the JNC, Sambormi Lingdaw, said that the Pnar community have their own history and asserted that the governments have to respect the historical background and cultural practices. He added that the Pnar villages that are currently in Assam should be returned to Meghalaya based on their cultural practices.
We came to know that we the Pnar, especially we the Jaintia, especially the Pnar, we have our own identity, we have our own history. So we want the regional committee of both the government to respect our historical background, to respect our traditional belief and our culture and our cultural practice. And while settle this border dispute, we want them to also look at the historical background of the Pnar and to also look at the traditional practice and our customary law, and to settle the border issue based on our historical background.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 23.2